Also, sustainability is not just about solar panels on top of the roof. Sustainability can cause on three pillars. Major issues in terms of sustainability is that we don't have enough professionals that are learned in that area. So I'll be saying this to we fellow builders and students, uni students now, is that we can go and develop more knowledge in this aspect of construction industry generally. So we can do what we should. Because now we're talking something like a two-way system in terms of training, two-pipe system, one-pipe system, and all of those. Now as a builder, if you are involved in the design of construction, you should advise either the architect or the client that you should go for a two-pipe system. So you can have all your water from the kitchen, bathroom, as per heating now, and the water from the washing machine. You can collect this water and recycle the water. Use the water for irrigation purpose, use the water for washing cars, use the water for watering the greeneries and the landscape you have in your building site. Do you understand? So we are engaging sustainable practices while also doing the professional duties. Also, sustainability is not just about solar panels on top of the roof. Sustainability can cause on three pillars: social, economic, and environmental. We focus more on the environmental aspect. Truth be told, we can have a building that have solar panels on the roof, but it's not sustainable because you didn't capture the economic aspect and the social aspect. So the social aspect, we are ensuring we are building buildings that are suitable for the users. So we ensure we are, as we are having staircases in our building, we also have ramps. In terms of accessibility, we are thinking of what we are designing. So you are considering the social aspect. At the same time, you are ensuring you pay your workers well. So you are not enslaving people to build a building project, and we say it's sustainable because we have solar panels on top. And then the economic aspect, we are trying as much as we can not to waste the resources. So we try as much as we can to minimize waste. We design correctly. We measure a place, and it's supposed to be in relation to about 600, so that all the building elements that are brought to site as it comes. So we are reducing off costs, because this off cost now becomes waste in the construction site, and then if they are not properly disposed, it's also a problem. So we are considering environmental factors, social factors, and economic factors, and this will be put us on the path of sustainability.
Innocent, you mentioned of very important area which I wanted, that is when you say wastage on site. So, what is the way to waste builders ensure that these wastes are being reversed or recycled to valuable things to look at?
Thank you very much for that. First of all, we'll talk about planning. Because I've been to a construction site where they bring so many cubic of concrete to the site and then they use a little and pour the others. Now, money has been wasted. Number two, in the production process of that concrete, you have emitted carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Now, all of those was wasted. So when I say proper planning is this, how about you are bringing the 4 cubic meters to site? You have already planned that, okay, just in case concrete remains, we will paint this part of the site as part of the work. Instead of just pouring that concrete out, so you plan so that the remains of this concrete are used as part of the construction works. That's one. Then number two, proper collection of waste. So you have different containers, properly labeled. This one is for collecting steel. Anything steel waste inside should be put inside there. This one is for collecting plastic. Any waste inside that is a plastic material should be put inside there. This one is for collecting wood. Any waste inside that is wood product should be put inside there. They have been properly collected. So recycling this is now easier. Do you understand? Now it's now taken to the refineries or the production center, and then they are chopped that into smaller particles to now reproduce other products that will be used to either the built environment or areas and aspects of life. I think that's